Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Series. Today, I will show you top 3 cool gadgets for your car which make your car attractive. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And click on the bell icon for latest videos. Number 1. Cobra Smart Dash Cam Full HD 1080p Resolution, Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 140-degree view, live police alerts, incident reports. Emergency Mayday, Drive Smarter app, 8GB SD card including, black. Set up your SC100 dash cam to record the road in crystal clear, Full HD, 1080p, video resolution. The discreet design takes up minimal space in your car. Place the SC100 in the front or rear view of your vehicle. Embedded GPS syncs location and speed information to ensure you have critical information when you need it. Emergency Mayday will send your emergency contact an automatic text message in the event of a serious accident. Number 2. Car Garbage Folder. This gadget is very important in your car. It is very cool product. It is made of with aluminum alloy. Its size is 26.5 by 4.2 by 4.5 centimeters. Look at the weight. It is only 170 gram. Accessories: PE trash bag * 20 PCS, wall sticker * 1, silicone strap * 1. Features: 1. Flexible gearing, pull down to use. 2. Breakpoint design, easy tearing and leak proof. 3. Thickened PE bag, anti-pull and degradable. 4. Posh aluminum alloy, fixing with silicone strong. This gadget can change your car looks from interior. Number 3. Air compressor with dual power electric wheel pump with LED digital display for car, motorcycle, bike, ball. Professional tested, our portable air compressor with a powerful motor. Our portable air compressor can quickly inflate a 205/55 R16 tire from 29 to 36 psi in just 1 minute or 0 to 36 psi in just under 6 minutes. Let's making it a speedy and efficient tool for all your tire inflation needs. The inflator tire pump features a large, clear LED display that shows the real-time pressure, accurate to 0.1 psi, and preset values. The car portable air compressor is designed with a 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery and a 12V DC cigarette lighter adapter power supply. Multiple options have solved your occasional needs. It comes with a storage space at the bottom that can store all the nozzle attachments, allowing you to easily store it anywhere in your car. Our portable electric car tire inflator is your perfect tool. If you like these gadgets, just go to video description, I put the link there. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel.